Bosco, this is Duttyberry and welcome to a brand new Answer This segment. I'm at Emancipation Park right after the Sigma Run 2019. Now me here say it was a record number of people. Almost 30,000 people actually converge right inside a New Kingston. So now the question that I shall be asking is, would you get back with the ex or do another 5K? So let's see if the people I'm going to answer this. Alright, so the question is, with our Sigma, we just finished the race and you run, right?
Yeah, man.
Alright, so the question is, get back with your ex or do another 5K?
10 more 5K.
Jeez, I'm can't so bad. Can't so bad, what you saying?
It's a 25K then.
You're all the steeplechase at the Olympics.
Brother.
Not even like a 1 week with the ex.
How do you call it? Heptacle and the whole 5
years. All kind of
yeah, man, do that too, man.
Oh my God, it couldn't have been that bad.
It's that bad.
How long ago was it?
I think about 3 years or 4 years now.
So you do 3 years worth of 5K instead of go back to that relationship?
Yeah, man. Every month.
Why? Whoa. If you're out there, if you're out there, make sure say comment so I can look on your profile page and see what kind of you might have been.
That's true, that's true.
Do another 5K or get back with your ex?
That wasn't the question you said I was going to be asked.
Me? I told you distinctly I'm going to ask you about the 5K. Get back with the ex or do another 5K?
Do another 5K.
Jesus Christ. Alright, so I'm here with Patrick. The question is, do another 5K or get back with your ex?
Do another 5K, do another 5K, do another 5K.
At 10K even?
Huh?
At 10K even?
Definitely. Book. 10K. Book.
You know how the 5K did rough? Did you actually run or you walk?
Watch out. Did you know how my ex did rough? I bet I did walk.
Jesus, dream. Like what kind of stress did you go through, so?
No, watch out.
The rivers and the valleys.
No, watch out. I bet I go through the sea and the mountain. I bet I run 10 lap round.
Wait, say I walk from right to Saga, Cuba instead of go to Ghana ex again.
That's true.
Yeah. Today with two stay good woman, and the question is, do another 5K or get back with the ex?
Do another 5K.
No, the two of us answer like the past school challenge quiz.
Do another 5K.
The 5K never easy, you know. It did hard, so me all have hamstring and all them look at something there.
Because you not work out
Oh, so you know.
You don't say we're there before you know.
So where I say you would never get back to this. You'd have traveled to Mount Everest instead of get back to your ex.
Definitely. Kilimanjaro.
Jesus. Get back with your ex or do another 5K.
Do another 5K.
What is wrong with the people them there? So nobody never in love with them ex. Why would you go back?
Because it
Done.
Yeah.
And a stress and tribulation in your life.
Yeah.
Get back with the ex or do another 5K. Boy. Jesus.
5K.
Jesus, people, what make the last situation in that bad?
Yeah, man. Bad.
The 5K not easy, you know?
Yeah, man, but I prefer the 5K.
Alright, big up yourself, boss. Alright, so we're there with Bruno. Bruno, the question is, get back with your ex or do another 5K?
Why, man, I get back with my ex still, you know.
One person, why? Why?
Why? Much easier, you know.
Oh, finally one person admits they had a good time with that ex.
Yeah, definitely.
So how long you left the ex then? Because maybe some can go on, you know. This is the social, this is answer this segment, you know.
Yes,
so you can just like talk. Yeah, how long ago was it?
2 months.
Oh, say it recent.
Yeah, man.
So here, I'm just like give you the camera.
Yeah.
I can do a little speech because maybe there's time for patch up. It's still recent. Talk to her. Take it away.
I send a baby, big man thing. Yeah, man, I send a message to your phone and make you know what I'm going here. Still love you here.
Oh! Relationship over intact. Big up yourself. Get back with your ex or do another 5K.
Do another 10K, 15K, half marathon, tough warrior, everything, man. What's up?
Yeah, man, like, so you know, you avoid the problem.
Yeah, man, avoid the
so
problem.
So you know the answer.
Yeah, man.
How was Valentine's for you and the wifey?
Valentine's, you know, she surprised me at work. Yo, I felt very touched. I know normally it's all about women and women get things. Yeah. But good body man forget things.
Where say she come give you a piece of work?
No, man, she gave me.
Oh, where you stop? No, it sounded like you paused a while ago.
No, man,
she show up at work.
No,
she show up at work and give you a piece like talk it.
That was give a piece of cake.
Supervisor now watch, your boss now watch.
A piece of cake.
A piece of cake.
Yeah, man.
You know, so in a 2019 cake can be interpreted different ways, you know.
Well,
You have different type of cake. You have the cake without the icing.
Nah, man, the cake have icing and the chocolate and it have the cherry in it and whatever. So, yeah, man,
Cherry in it and all them, because some of you eat the cherry, don't it?
They follow you, man. Yeah.
Do another 5K or get back with your ex?
Get back with my ex.
Wow, second person. Second person. The 5K did really rough, don't it? Jesus Christ, thanks for being honest, yes. So why did I get back with the ex then? No?
Because it's not as challenging as the 5K.
Oh, so it's more about how rough this the 5K was.
Yes.
Like put your body through wipe a heartache and pain.
Yes.
And
My heart is beating fast. My
So
ex never make
the ex
heart
never make it.
fast,
Whoa.
no.
The ex never make you skip a beat and them
No,
look
no.
whoa. The ex never make your body tired and them look something there. I have to call out to work the next day.
No.
Wow. Oh, that look Lily on the ex, Jesus Christ. If anybody out there who know the ex, just give me like a pat on the back and say better luck next time with the new person. Oh, take care. Alright, somebody here with the rising YouTube personality, Kavad. The question is, get back with the ex or do another 5K?
And I get back to my ex, you know.
Really?
Yeah.
Why?
I'm good with all of my exes. Like, I don't have nothing against none of them.
No, what
So
kind
if
of
you're my
person?
ex and you're watching this, I don't have nothing against you.
So how much ex you have, so you can't be more than 20 years old enough?
Who said that? But that's not the point, alright? I've lived a life, about 20 ex.
Yeah.
All that, I'm good with all of them. If I call them for a foot rub right now, them give me a foot rub.
Oh, wow.
If I call them and tell them, Mom, a big toe suck up, some of them might come.
I did the ex them used to go down.
What you say?
I did the ex them go down.
What you say?
I did the ex go down.
I can't hear, what you say?
Yeah, because people are hiding. Alright, so the question is, get back with your ex or do another 5K?
Do another 5K.
Why?
Oh, after today,
5K did rough, you know?
Yeah, but I want to say that ex did well rougher.
That's PM. How long ago was this ex?
Boy, the ex was like a few years back, different still, but the current girl, she good.
Jeez, and people, so you say, the current girl have all of the things that the ex never have.
Everything.
You know, so the ex are gonna watch this right now.
In a business, big up to the wife, Deandra, love you same way.
Alright, so I are here with Natalie. Now the question is, would you get back with your ex or do another 5K?
We're gonna do a 10K still.
Oh wow! Let's get back with your ex or do another 5K.
Do another 5K.
Why?
Well, never had an ex, so yeah.
Get back with your ex or do another 5K.
Do another 5K.
Jesus Christ.
Without a doubt.
Why? The 5K never easy, you know, it rough.
The ex never easy neither.
Jesus Christ said, get back with your ex or climb Mount Everest.
Mount Everest.
The question is, do another 5K or get back with your ex?
It depends on which one of them.
The most recent one.
Oh, but I did run the next 5K, right?
Oh, why? What kind of problem, so?
No, we can't talk about it right now.
I will if stress
I
though.
don't think we can talk about it at all.
But the 5K never easy, you know that me and Travis said the 5K never
It
easy.
didn't have a vibe. And it actually
So the last relationship they never have no vibe.
No, I don't think it's going to contribute to me being healthy.
Oh
You understand?
wow. Oh yeah, that they are drain you.
So the 5K more, I got to do that.
Oh okay, I kinda understand. if you are that ex down there, out there, don't feel bad, okay? The man just saying they want something more healthy feel, okay? And you will never there meet the criteria. Just so it go. Big up yourself, Jason. Let's get back with the ex or do another 5K.
The 5K, the 10K, the 15K, the marathon.
How long ago was this ex in your life? Can't listen to that all. They done that all. If I 2 weeks ago, just say 2 weeks.
It's not 2 weeks ago, last year.
Last year.
Yeah.
I ain't find nobody better than that.
Not yet.
So yeah, boy, you just know some better out there. Oh, whoa, where's your while ago?
I'm right here now.
Where's say I try now? Talk to her, tell her from now. Can play a friend zone, she a friend zone, you don't it?
I'm like to step out the friend zone.
You know what? Half our piece of chicken right now. Propose to her with a piece of chicken.
No, I have a better question.
Yeah.
You like bread and them thing there?
You heard it here first. You heard it here first. Invite me to the wedding. Well, that is it, people. We've come come to the end of another Answer This segment. We just finished the Sagicor Sigma run for 2019. So I went around in my asked people them if they would rather do another 5K or get back with their most recent ex. And boys, most of the people them feel like a 5K to them thing. But well, if you enjoyed the video, do the thing and give me a thumbs up. And take care until next time on another series episode of Answer This.
The first time I hear about you from my 80-year-old grandmother when Bolt did win a race and you take over social media. Yeah. All the best.
All right.
I need that the first or the second.
No, this is a weekend. It's a show of 5K or 10. Come on, press along, Saints. Press along.
Yes, in God's own way.
Press along, Saints. Press along. What is that? I feel like running. Skipping mentally, not physically.